We offer 3 internship experiences each semester here at Cleveland Clinic in London for the Notre Dame students. And our goal really is to allow them to get an exposure to healthcare and actually to see the many, many different aspects of healthcare that go into the care that you see when a doctor treats a patient.
I'm interning with the finance department specifically, so most days I'll come in and just help them with modeling or budgeting tasks that they need done. They always have really good opportunities for me to try and spice it up and see other segments of the business. The whole healthcare ecosystem is totally different here. What with the NHS being the single payer for all patients, there's a lot that goes into that because Cleveland Clinic basically operates outside of the NHS.
We're looking to bring the best of the American healthcare system and integrate it with the best of the UK system and these new ideas to form the new model of care here at Cleveland Clinic London. So we love actually having the students here because they'll bring their own perspective and they have great ideas, and in the teams that they work with, that's what we're looking for.
I feel like being surrounded by people with so much experience, especially people who have totally different life experiences from me, kind of allowed me to mature a lot more than I would have just by learning probably the same skills in a classroom.
The core of what healthcare is, and essentially the essence of it, is the expression of empathy from one person to another at their greatest time of need. The thing I love about having the Notre Dame students is it is an incredible, empathetic group of people who actually just add to what we're trying to do here and add to the core of healthcare. And it's been like that, I'll tell you, ever since my wife and I were students at Notre Dame. And I'm so proud to see it alive and well as it is today with these interns that are here working.
The true value of my Notre Dame education is just the chance to form relationships with people from totally different walks of life. It's really interesting just to hear about how our different paths led us to the same place. Here we are in London, 1,000 miles from South Bend, and we're still connected by Notre Dame.